Let's choose one of our templates and edit together. I will go with this one. I will click choose this template, then confirm, and then edit the current footer, and I will be redirected to this footer. Here you see everything is already ready. You just need to change the texts, links and images. First of all, let's click and change the image. For that, double click on the image, bring here your image, click on the edit image, and see your image is here. You can link the image. For that, click on the image, click top arrow. It will take you to the link section. Click settings icon and here add your link. You can change this text by clicking on this. Change these ones also. Do not forget to change the links here. And here you can see that you have a form that collects email addresses from your visitors. You can change the color of the footer. Simply click and activate the footer section. From decorations, choose background color, and I need to change the button color because this is not our color. To change the color of the button, click and activate the element. From decorations, click and add your branding color. You can even change border radiuses here. And that's it. Click save. Check how it looks on your site. And that's it. Now let's learn how to insert links on social media icons. And here we have social media icons on which I need to insert links. To do so, I will click on the image and I will go with this icon and click settings. And here you can add your URL. You can set your target. I will go with new window, click save, and that's it. In the same way, you should change the others. Click image, then top arrow, activate link box, then settings, and add your URL here. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.